Hey, Graham here. Out at the Flitz factory, got a call from the gang over at Flitz. They said one of their coworkers has a car they want me to detail with some of their products and show you how their great products work. So let's see what kind of car they're working with and let's put some of their products to the test. Oh, wow. Man, 81 Corvette. I know this car very, very well. I used to have one of these when I graduated high school. Mine was white with a rusty color red inside. Beautiful car. Well, I can already tell you right off the start, one of the first things we're going to be working with are these wheels. Looks like he's got a little brake dust going on. We're going to need to clean that out first before we start doing the rest of it. All right, for all that brake dust, let's grab one of the great Flitz products, their metal pre-clean. This stuff cuts through brake dust in a matter of seconds. I've used this product before, I love it. But instead of me talking about it, let me show you how it works. We're gonna split the rim in half so you can sort of see a before and after. All right, just to show you how fast this product works, I just grabbed a cardboard box. We're gonna split this wheel in half. Take your metal pre-clean, spray it right on the area. Now this product you can let sit for about a minute or so, but what you'll see how fast this works, instantly it's eating away at all that brake dust. Once you got that done, just grab yourself your hose and just rinse it right off. Can you see that? Look at all that just washing right away. All right, next up, wheel number 2. One thing I don't know if you noticed on the first wheel that we just did is it came out almost shiny. And the reason being is the Flitz metal pre-clean is organic salt-based. There's no acid involved to it, so it will not dull or haze aluminum wheel like an acid wash, saving you a lot more time on polishing and just general cleaning. So let's put this one to the test. Again, all we're gonna do is just spray on. Look at that brake dust. Just start melting away. Again, you can let this sit for about a minute or so. And the big key with this product is you want to rinse it off. As you can see, it's going on the rubber, no worries. There's no harsh chemical, so it's not going to eat away at the tire or discolor it in any way, shape, or form. Grab our water, start rinsing it right off. Now that we got the wheels prepped, let's start working on the rest of this beautiful car. We're gonna have to clean off the body. So let's go use 2 of the new Flitz products for this. We're gonna grab some of the new Flitz Quick Gleam car wash soap. And one of my favorite new things they just came out with is this wash mitt. One thing I mentioned, one of my favorite new things from Flitz are these car wash mitts. What makes them a little more unique than what you find on the market from a regular car wash applicator is these are dual-sided. This and this. The gray side, great if you have like bug guts, really dust, dirt, grime that's a little more stuck in there. And then this for the gentle massage of the soap. All right, we got the car all cleaned up, washed off. Now we're gonna come back to these wheels. I'm gonna take a little of the Flitz polish, I'm gonna put it right on the area. One of the big keys when you're using the polish is less is more. And the way I like to explain it, I guess in layman's terms, is act like you're blowing hot air into a mirror. You just wanna fog it or haze the wheel. You don't have to let it set or dry. So as you can see, just a really, really thin light layer I got on here. Next up, look at all that oxidation coming off of there, holy cow. Next up, grab a paper towel and start buffing it off. Instantly, what you start seeing is it coming back out to its original, natural, high shine and luster. And then for your last step, what you want to do is grab yourself a microfiber towel. One thing I love is the new Flitz rolled ones. And I got one of those right here. I just tore it off the roll. But take that and give it a final wipe down. And voila, right back out to new. Now we got this wheel all shined up, looking like brand new. As you might have remembered from the start of the video, there was a lot of brake dust on here. We used a pre-clean to get that off. Then we washed the wheel down with a car wash soap, and then we polished it. The Flitz polish gives you a protection up to 6 months, but we're going to take it one step further to help eliminate against that brake dust and keep this wheel looking better even longer. So we got the Flitz applicator pad, we got the Flitz ceramic sealant. We're going to spray a little bit like that onto the applicator and just buff this in really light. Just like that. It's done. Then we're going to grab one of my favorite items that Flitz makes. They're tearaway towels. And just take this, buff it in, and we're just going to buff it right back off. And we're good to go. Once this is done, you'll know you have it done. Makes the wheel super, super slippery and slick. Help cut down on water spots, bug guts, dust, dirt, and most of all, that brake dust that was stuck on here to begin with. All right, now that we got the car all cleaned and dried off, we're going to use this Flitz ceramic sealant on there. One of the big things with the Flitz ceramic sealant, you don't have to spray it directly on the car. Spray it onto an applicator, buff it in, take a microfiber and buff it off. It literally takes seconds to do, as you'll see, but less is more. So take this, and we're just going to buff it right in the area. And as you can see, I'm using this on the glass. The Flitz ceramic sealant is excellent on glass. Helps cut down on the dust, the dirt, hard water spotting, bug droppings, and more. Grab your handy dandy Flitz roll of microfibers and just start buffing it off. Again, as you see, this takes seconds to do.